Hello guys. Today we are gonna find out location details by phone number using Python program. So, let's begin our operation. First of all, you need to install some modules for this project. I hope you all know how to install modules. Just install phone numbers, time or date time module and numpy module. I have already installed all the packages. So, if you are thinking, what is numpy module for? Well, numpy is a powerful Python library for numerical and mathematical operations. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with mathematical functions to operate on these elements. NumPy is widely used in scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning due to its efficiency and ease of use. Now, import phone numbers module. And then, you need to import timezone, geocoder, and carrier package file from phone numbers module. Now, we call our first variable function as number. Alright, by this function code, it will ask you that number, what you want to find. There we call our second variable name as phone. Every variable function is important to us. So, do not mess with any line of code. That function's gonna provide you area details and country name of certain number of victim. Okay, we almost complete our work. And now, you need to use print function to print the number details. It's testing time. Now put the victim number. Yeah, I put number with country code. Yes, you must put number with country code. I use Bangladeshi country code. Here is showing all details: SIM name, country name, and location name. Note this codes. And enjoy on coding. See ya!